tonight it is a movie night. Amazing. And right over here.
That is so real for me. I'm always like, that's crazy. We were talking about this earlier.
Hello, I'm back. Today is Saturday, October 12th. And I just woke up in my new place. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I'm so excited. As you guys can see, this place gets a lot of natural light. I am exhausted and, for lack of a better term, comatose. My whole entire body hurts. Originally, I got my keys here on Wednesday and started moving in my delicate items. As you guys know, I have a ton of home decor, lots of glass pieces that I was already putting in storage. You guys saw me kind of getting that together. I am so excited that I am in my own space. I'm so happy, guys. This place is just giving me life already. A fun fact, my apartment number breaks down into a number 1. So if you guys are into numerology and house numbers, let me know your thoughts. I have a house number 1, which ironically is good for new beginnings, and that's exactly what's going on in my life right now. I actually canceled my hair appointment this morning, which was supposed to be at 9. Literally, I'm going to stay in the bed all day and just relax, watch movies, and just kind of reset. I've got some goodies here today. 2 boxes I went and picked up from the old building guys. I got a white and gold knife set on Amazon. It's really beautiful. And a shout out to Paris Hilton, guys. I had no idea that she had kitchen appliances. And voila, great job, Paris. This is stunning. It looks amazing. Totally a perfect fit. This is looking absolutely gorgeous.
So they gave a good day, Columbus Day.
Oh, yeah.
For me.
Yeah, Columbus Day. When I moved in on Wednesdays, actually when I got the keys, I had the TVs and fireplace uninstalled at my old place and installed here at my new place. So I came over, got the keys, everything worked fine. But the next day when I came in, I noticed the refrigerator was not working. So they came over on Thursday. Long story short, that was temporary. They're finally here today to fix it. In the meantime, they weren't able to fix it over the weekend, and I could have really gotten bent out of shape, but to make up for the fact that they weren't going to be able to fix it over the weekend, they allowed me to use the refrigerator in the empty apartment next door, and they just left it open for me. So by my refrigerator being broken and me just going with the flow, that allowed me to see the opportunity to be like, oh, you know what, these boxes that I don't feel like taking down because I'm so exhausted, I was able to just sit them right there, get everything out of my way, and enjoy my nice, clean, clutter-free space. So always remember, go with the flow. Whatever happens, even though it might seem bad at the moment, maybe it's actually a good thing. So one thing I've been burning since I got here is this Palo Santo oil from Dollar Tree. This oil burner, and it smells incredible. All right, guys, this is my new place. Right now I'm just going to show you the couple of little elements that I did for the fall, which wasn't a lot because I was just getting moved in. But I put out a couple of my favorite fall pieces that I felt like moving, because in the midst of starting a new job, moving, all that, I just really had limited energy and time. This is a piece that I got from Marshall's about 3 years ago that I love, and I just love how it looked against the white, so I put that there. This Mona Lisa is just a reminder that I did go to Paris and visited the Louvre and saw the original Mona Lisa, which isn't much bigger than this one, might I add, when I went to Paris back in 2014. Now, if you do not know, tomatoes should be kept separate from all other vegetables and fruit because of the ethanol gas that it emits into the atmosphere. It really makes other fruits and vegetables go bad quickly. But this is my kitchen. I think it's huge. I love it. As you can see, I have a ton of storage space. This is the pantry here. All of these drawers, all of these upper cabinets, lower cabinets. I am in love with this kitchen. These are some paintings that I had, I think last year I got these, and I had something else here, but this ended up looking nice for there for right now. I need an entry table, but I have this little pedestal that I decided to just put right here. I set my keys and play this little game. But
that is so real for me. I'm always that's crazy. We were talking about this earlier.
But I am looking for something like a little low, narrow, kind of long table to go right there eventually. This is a candle that I burn in the evening too. It smells really, really nice. I love this candle. And this is a little vignette I put together for the fall. So I love how this came out because there was really no plan to it. It was just things that I had. These pumpkins I bought last year but did not get to use. But I love the warmth that it brings to the white, so I really wanted to bring it in here. This is a fall candle that I got last year. You guys have seen this all over the place because I love beaded elements. A pillar candle holder is one of my favorite pieces. These candlesticks came from Marshall's maybe 2 years ago. This year I wanted the mocha look for fall, so I found these mocha candles on Amazon. So something else from Amazon. So this is the evening view in my place. And tonight it is a movie night. I'm watching The Piano Lesson on Netflix this Friday night, and I'm so enjoying only having to cater to myself right now. Much needed time in my life. But yeah, here we are, the soft glow of the evening. This is what I look forward to on Friday nights, just to be able to kick my feet up and relax here on the sofa under my blanket with all of my pillows. I've heard like, oh, your place just screams romance, but this is for me. This nutcracker is my fourth one. I have collected a black one I found at Ross, and it's absolutely stunning. And I just tucked this little flower here in there just for a pop of red. These two gorgeous beauties came from Ross this year for $6.99. Absolutely gorgeous. This gingerbread cookie sign I've had for a while. And this is just a little ice bucket and an ice scooper with reindeer, and I just have some random chocolates in there. Publix BOGOs, you guys know that's my weekly treasure hunt, so they had these candles on sale a couple of weeks ago, so I got some of those. But yeah guys, this is my Christmas kitchen. Super simple, but I love it. It was just exactly what I needed to feel the holiday spirit here this year.